little bit of a mess back here, but nothing we haven't seen before, nothing we can't clean up. Definitely can look brand new, and we can get it done in about, I don't know, let's say, it's just a lot of trash, so maybe like 2 hours. Extra pizza. And we are all done. Just putting away some of the papers, logs, owner's manuals that they got. All the compartments, leather wall, up there, headliners scrubbed, all these compartments, storage, all the floor inside there. Got all the pizza crust. Scrubbed all over here for the AC controls. All up here, the visors, dash, and detailed all the buttons, controls, steering wheel. Scrubbed all the doors. Check out the door jambs, nice and clean. Oh, and the windows. There you go. If you guys have any questions, you could follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Condes Auto Detailing. Call us 956-231-7874 here in Laredo.